What's up guys? In this video, I want to quickly share with you the story of some of the easiest print-on-demand sales that I've ever made in my life. And it's relevant to right now because I was actually, you guys know I launched that like kind of private community membership thing this year. And when I do my weekly live stream, and I also do office hours by the way, but when I do my live stream, I reveal at least one of my designs that are making me sales regularly. Okay, so this week, one of the designs I shared was incredibly simple. All right. I don't know. Should I even tell you what it is? I'll just tell you what it is. It was a graphic with no text, just a graphic, pre-made, not by me, by somebody else. And it was just a pair of headphones. That's it. And I don't know how many times I've sold that shirt, but it's making me money regularly. And it's about as easy as it gets. Now, why am I telling you this? Because right now, Creative Fabrica has their like end of year Christmas promo. And it's multifaceted. I'm going to walk you through it in this short video. All right. But I want to let you know right away that they've got a really good deal on a Creative Fabrica membership where you can replicate my simple approach. Now, I can't promise you it's going to work, right? But if you are willing to put in the effort and go through this a number of times, creating more and more listings, you can even like forego the niche research. Now, I'm not like recommending you do that, but I'm just telling you that, hey, I've done that plenty of times. You know, it's a lot easier when I have, you know, and each platform is unique, but in the case of Amazon merch, you guys know I have a ton of upload slots to fill. Sometimes I'm just like, hey, I'm going to take this graphic, I'm going to use it as is, which you can do with Creative Fabrica. And I'm just going to put some keywords and see if it sells. And some of them sell, some of them don't, right? Some of them don't. The whole point of this is that if you are not using Creative Fabrica, you can lock in an incredible deal today. I'm going to walk you through what the pricing looks like. Let's get right to it. So Creative Fabrica calls this their 12 days of Christmas special. Now there's 12 days of freebies. I'm going to show you what those freebies are in just a second. But first, I wanted to let you know that you can join for a full year at only $59 a year. So that's a discounted rate already. You can use my link and then I get a little kickback. So, you know, I always appreciate that. And then if you do that, you can lock in a second year for only $47. So you can lock in 2 years right now for under $100, and it shouldn't take you but, I mean, worst case scenario, a couple months if you actually use what you get out of Creative Fabrica, because there's always that caveat. You got to put an asterisk there. You must use it. If you use it, you should make that money back with relative ease. I mean, I literally just told you I sold a picture of headphones on a t-shirt. Ryan, why would somebody buy that? I don't care. I don't care why somebody buys it. It doesn't matter to me. I'm getting paid my royalty for selling it, period. That's all I care about is my royalties. So you can join for less than $100. The link's at the top of the description. Also down there, I got my free print-on-demand mini course and print-on-demand Facebook group. You can join those for free, so make sure you check those out. Now, the 12 days of freebies. All right, let's breeze through these really quickly, but there's no catch here. All right, there's no catch. So I'll drop links to these in the description. I will link to them in the order I was told that they will become available. So if you just want to check back in, scoop your freebie, go ahead and do that. All right. My understanding is that this should be free. They even put a timer here actually. So, all right. So first one, Lovely Bunny in Spring font bundle. All right. So you can use your imagination for when, by the way, you can't see outside right now. I do have a window right next to me. It is not spring. It is the exact opposite of spring. It's cold. It's dark. It's rainy. I was just driving back here. Traffic was a bitch. It's the opposite of this font is what it looks like outside. Next one, Vibrant Crafty bundle. All right, premium graphics for, I guess, crafting. It's kind of outside my comfort zone. Next one, the Jupiter Studio font bundle. All right, so a font bundle, nice. The Ultimate Vintage bundle is the next one. After that, the Incredible Font and SVG bundle, so fonts and SVGs. After that, a complete font bundle. It says 117 premium fonts. And you know what? Maybe I misspoke because as I read this, it says, since you're a member, you can download all the items in this bundle. So now I'm wondering, like, do you need to be a member in order to access these? If I misspoke, apologies. All right. The word freebie implies that they should be free. So anyways, you can see here that if they're not free, it's only $12 and you can get access to 117 fonts. All right, so I just opened an incognito browser and checked, and it looks like you probably do need to have an active subscription in order to access these. So if I said they were freebies, I guess they're freebies for people that have a membership. Of course, you can get a membership at the lowest rate possible using the link in the description. I already have a membership, so if I don't go incognito, I'm already logged in and they look like they're free. I may have misspoke there. I apologize. I'll still link to them in the description though. So you got the font bundle, over 117 fonts. You've got the next one, the Finest Collection watercolor bundle. I've never really sold like watercolor stuff, so I can't speak from personal experience how I may go about monetizing these, but they do look cool. After that, a fantastic font collection, 49 premium fonts. You can never have too many fonts, guys. After that, the Mega Craft and Font Bundle. All right, so more on the crafty side, plus fonts. And after that, the Best Crafters SVG Bundle. They call it crafting, but I don't know, man. When I see SVGs like that, I'm like, all right, I can go slap those on some t-shirts, some coffee mugs, etc. I bet you those would do really well on mugs. By the way, MyDesigns, you guys know I love MyDesigns software. They are adding, they're launching coffee mugs in the next week, I was told. I just talked to Curtis from MyDesigns like 2 days ago, and they've got some really, they always have cool stuff coming down the pipeline, but the way that they're essentially adding support for mugs is really cool because they're not making us do extra work. They're letting us take our t-shirt designs like the ones you see here. If you were going to put that on a t-shirt, you can then duplicate it and optimize it for mugs at scale. Of course, everything in MyDesigns is bulk at scale, making your life easy. It's going to be really cool. And if you're like, but how do I design a coffee mug design? Well, look at this bundle right here. You could, it says 350 plus designs. That's 350 plus coffee mugs. By the way, if you use MyDesigns and you have a premium account, let's say it's 360 designs, okay? You can do 3 batches of 120 and batch process everything 120 at a time, batch publish everything 120 at a time, get your mockups done 120 at a time, times 10 for, if you want to use all 10 mockup slots on Etsy. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Someone just emailed me today and they get it. And they were like, dude, whoa, what is this MyDesigns thing? He's like, this is so good. I was like, thank you. You see it too. It's not just me. All right, I think we're almost done with the bundles. The wonderful crafty font bundle. All right, 46 unique fonts. And then we have the huge crafters bundle. And is that 12? Yeah, that's number 12. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I do have a full print on demand course. It's linked in the description if you want to learn my exact methods and get your, fast track. Basically, it's like getting in the fast track to success because you're going to replicate my exact process. If you want that, it is available. The link is in the description. There is a price tag on it. You'll make that money back. And I have my private community where I do weekly live streams, weekly office hours, easiest, cheapest way to get direct access to me. Check that out. It's linked in the description, guys. Hey, let's do it big. It's almost the new year. I hope you find this useful. Creative Fabrica is like so much bang for your buck. So link in the description, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.